Welcome back to part 4. To watch part 1, 2, and 3, just click the links in the description box below. Ready to sound more natural and smart in English? Let's upgrade your everyday phrases right now. I'm tired. I'm worn out. Example, I'm worn out after today's work. I'm sad. I'm feeling down. Example, I'm feeling down today. Calm down. Take it easy. Example, take it easy, everything's fine. I don't agree. I beg to differ. Example, I beg to differ with that opinion. I'm going out. I'm heading out. Example, I'm heading out for a bit. It's not possible. It's out of the question. Example, going on vacation now is out of the question. That's strange. That's odd. Example, that's odd, it was here just now. You're so lucky. You hit the jackpot. Example, you hit the jackpot with that job offer. Let me explain. Here's the deal. Example, here's the deal, it's simpler than it looks. I agree. I'm with you. Example, I'm with you on that idea. I understand you. I hear you. Example, I hear you, and I agree. I'm excited. I'm pumped. Example, I'm pumped for the concert tonight. I'm worried. I'm freaking out. Example, I'm freaking out about the test. It's okay for me. I'm cool with it. Example, I'm cool with staying home tonight. That's boring. That's a snooze fest. Example, that meeting was a total snooze fest. Don't make it worse. Don't add fuel to the fire. Example, stop. You're just adding fuel to the fire. Let's stop talking. Let's drop it. Example, let's drop it and move on. He's so annoying. He gets on my nerves. Example, that guy really gets on my nerves. I'll try my best. I'll give it my all. Example, don't worry, I'll give it my all in the match. I'll call you later. I'll get back to you. Example, I'm busy now, I'll get back to you soon. Practice these smart phrases daily and watch your English confidence grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English made easy.